This is a case of hair transplant reversal. The patient had a unsatisfactory hair transplant procedure performed elsewhere. As you can see, while we are trimming, the grafts that were placed and the hairline that was created was completely unnatural. It was very low, not in the appropriate place. The grafts were placed as 2 and 3 hair grafts in the front rows, which again is wrong. They were placed at wrong angles. Now as you can see, we are extracting the grafts by the fuse technique. This is where we use the expanding needle concept. After anesthesia, punch is used, a 0.85 millimeter punch, to score around the grafts. Now this is a lot of scar tissue which we are working in. So extraction is not as easy as a virgin scalp or virgin body donor area. When working in previously transplanted area, especially when trying to extract previously transplanted grafts, one encounters a lot of fibrous adhesions. That is where the fuse technique comes in handy. So we'll be taking out almost all the grafts in the lower 1 centimeter of the hairline area. Those grafts which will be extracted from these areas will be transplanted on the patient's own bald scalp further inside where no previous hair transplants have been performed. Our aim is a hair transplant reversal. This is possible only with the fuse technique. Follicular unit separation and extraction. The separation part involves dissection of the graft from its surrounding dermal adhesions under direct magnified vision. Now we are scoring around the grafts. In some places the density is low, in other places it's too high. So if we had tried to take them all out, it would not have worked. Thank you.